Okay, so the first design I wanted to show you all was like a project poster. As you can see, there's a lot of text, there are a few images, there are a few captions, and this is exactly what you can do with InDesign. This is just one example. So this is what else you can use InDesign for. You can take one page, one A3 page on the left and another on the right, and club them both together and make them one large page like this, as we can see over here. There are lines, there are captions, images, text. Like I said, it's a really nice placement software. So using two pages as one is something you will be using a lot in magazine design because you know sometimes the image from this page wants to extend on this one, and sometimes it looks better when it's extended on both pages. So I will be showing you how to use that. And over here you can see a very simple magazine at part. That's the theme I like. And so there are a couple of fonts at play, a little bit of shadow work. There's pastel pink I've used for the theme of this page. Okay, so like I said, it's a placement software for text, images, and even shapes. So like over here, I wanted to create something that some of you may know. So this is the Comedy Central Friends promo circle, and I opened InDesign and tried creating it, and I think I got pretty close. So this is some really good font work. So I'll be showing you how to get that font work done, and a line really makes pretty much anything aesthetic, and that's a decent gradient going on in the circle in there. But now, like I said in the starting, I will show you a limitation of the software. Like all of this created over here is only using InDesign, but you really can't work that well with layers. So as we go back to the image, you can see that the cast of the sitcom is sitting behind the circle over here. So let's go ahead on YouTube or on Google and find this image. So as you can see, I went ahead and did that, and this is the image. Now if we tried putting the image into InDesign, you will get the background they're sitting in. As you can notice that this image actually has a background over there, and if you tried picking this image up and putting it onto the screen, you will see that you will get the background. And so you press paste into, so it comes into the frame you've selected, and now as you can see, it comes with the background. And if I try moving the object I created, as you can see that uh, everyone is there, but so is the background. So all of this is limited in design. You can't really remove it. You can, however, do this in Photoshop. So I'll be showing you Photoshop in the end of this session. So that was the limitations and what you can do with the software.